Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at this battery operated super truck. Let's take a look at the box. It says it's full function, goes forward, reverse, turns left hand, right. New automatic hookup and go action. I wonder what that is. Let's see what the rest of the box says. Battery operated super truck. So it has several different models. This one's holding a helicopter, a boat, or I guess a trailer thing. And let's see what it says here. Okay, so let's take a closer look at that. It has remove trailer from tractor, pull down stand to ground trailer, aim and backup tractor to grounded trailer, contact trailer, auto hooks up and ready to go. Stand auto retracts. Wow. And then it says to separate container from chassis, remove trailer from tractor, open container doors, push from inside container near doors to gently spread container walls while push down and drop chassis. That's a mouthful. Aha, uses 2C size batteries. I was looking for that. 2C size batteries. Alright. See anything else on here? Okay, let's open it up. So we found this in the thrift store, and it's mint in box. It does look like the box is kind of aging, but there's no year on it, and I guess there's no real brand. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so there it is. This particular one has a tank and an artillery gun. So let's see if we can get it out of this styrofoam. Alright, so there it is. We have some Rayovac batteries. Last as long as yours has. Alright. 1C battery, 2C batteries. Let's pop in the batteries and see what it does. Oh, it's alive. There it is. Amazing, full function. It's wired. So let's see what this, I wonder if the tank comes off. It actually looks like it's physically attached there. Oh, the gun comes off. I guess the tank isn't really supposed to come off by the looks of it, even though has some features too. Oh, it just pops off actually. Neat. And it's got 4 wheels underneath, so that's kind of cool. So this, but then you kind of lose this piece here, and you can just hook that back on, I guess. Oh, I see, and it locks it in place. And there's a spring thing here. So let's see if we can back it up and auto hitch it like it claimed. The wire was wrapped around the tire. Let's try that again. Yep, it auto hitched and it's locked in position. Now it's ready to move forward. Does it have a servo thing here? Because it's locked on the left. Oh, the wheels seem to turn pretty good. And this wheel here is what moves it forward. Oh, there is a year on here. I don't know if you can see that. It says 1986? No way. Wow, 1986. Where did they find that?
We better keep it in this condition.
Okay, there you have it. The battery operated super truck. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.